How to make money on Etsy selling digital products. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money on Etsy by selling printable stickers. So let's dive in by opening the browser and go to etsy.com to show you an example of the digital product that we are going to work on in today's video. So here let's type printable stickers, and here it is, printable stickers, and let's wait for it to load. And it's still loading. Just give it a few seconds to complete loading, then we will see our printable stickers. So here it's still loading. We can see these are some examples of the printable stickers that are available in the platform, but let's just wait for it to complete loading. Let's close and let's reload. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load, and wait for it. It's going to complete loading right away. Just give it a few seconds. So this is the product we are going to sell, guys, and here you can see, let's check a product in here. For example, let's check this one, who costs $3, and it's on sale, and the sale ends in 49 minutes. It's just a marketing idea in order to make people to hurry to buy, or in 48 minutes. So here let's wait for it to load again to see the example of what you're going to sell on Etsy. So here you can see that it's a low price, not for the product, but it's a low price to sell products with or to make money with. But I would argue that in the contrary, it's the best price for these products because you are not paying any shipping, any delivery, or anything like that. You won't even have to refund people or those other problems that the drop shippers encounter. For example, if you sell physical products, you're going to encounter refunds. But I didn't like the product quality was not what I wanted, or those problems. You won't have them in here. The client will pay $3 and immediately will download the product without any other complaints or anything like that. As you can see in here, a lot of 5-star reviews, and all of the people are saying excellent product, well designed and easy to use, loved it, it turned out great, thank you. So here you can see that those people are liking the product. 10,000 sticker design bundle, digital sticker pack, stickers bundle, and these are the keywords that this person or this shop owner is using in order to rank in the search. And I'm going to take you to another platform where we can see how much money these people are making, which is Everbee, and this is the platform I'm talking about. This is where we can see how many reviews this shop has got, and based on the reviews we can guess how much money they have made with this single product. And also we can see when did he started, the date of that he started in. So let's wait for it to load, then we will go to product analytics. Let's wait for it to load, give it a few seconds, and we will go to product analytics. Just make sure to give it a few seconds. It's still loading. And in product analytics, guys, as you know, a lot of people buy products but they don't leave a review. So the average of people that leave a review after buying are 50%. So 50% of the people that bought the product leave a review. So that means if we found that the shop has got 100 reviews, we will just multiply the reviews on 2, and it will give us the amount of sales that the shop got from selling that product. So here, let's go to the search and let's type the name of the product, which is printable stickers. Printable stickers. Click on search, and let's wait for this bee to fly or to load. And also, I'm going to show you how you can create these products. I'm going to show you how you can create these digital products. You won't need to pay anyone, or you won't need to do any hard work or anything like that. I'm going to show you in a bit. Just wait till. So for example, this one is for costs $4, just $1 plus than this one here. So let's go to the reviews. Here we're going to see, so here this is the listing age from 21 months, and these are the amount of the reviews per month, which means this shop or this only product is making 26 sales per month. And if you can just do the math, you can multiply 26 per 4 on 4, and you will see how much money this person is making per month. And these are the amount of people that listed this product in their favorites, which means they are coming back for it. And this is the amount of reviews over the 21 months, which means this shop has made so far more than 450 sales, which is a lot of money if you multiply that on 4. And keep in mind that they are not paying for any other fees. They are not paying for delivering or shipping or anything like that, and also they won't refund the product or anything like that. So all of those money are going straight to their pockets. So I'm going to show you how you can create products like this. You will just open a new tab and type canva.com in the search and wait for it to load. So here, let's wait for Canva. This is where we are going to create products like that. So we are just going to go to the search and type printable stickers, and you'll be able to find a lot of templates that could help you make products like that. So here, let's go to printable sticker templates and let's wait for it to load. So here you can see an example of printable stickers. You'll just need to add your touch, make some changes, and you will have your own product. So here you can see a lot of examples of the printable stickers. You can, for example, take this one here, make some changes to it, add this one too, until you make a 10,000 stickers like these ones here. Or you can just go directly to create a design and start designing stickers like these, and then join them on one page like this. You can just add them to one page. So here you can see this is another sticker here, another one, and you'll have your own product ready to sell. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your